You don't belong here. You shouldn't be here. You don't fit in here. So just go.
Hi, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn English with your favorite topic, another after movie. This time, After Ever Happy. If you like after movies, check Learn English with After 2019, After We Collided, and After We Fell on my channel.
I think I should stay here for a while.
Stay out. To not get involved in an argument or fight.
I think I should stay here for a while.
For example, you stay out of it. It's none of your business. If you like to know about this phrase more, watch Learn English with Jon Snow.
Because I just keep dragging you into my shit, Tess, and it's not.
Dragging. Pull someone or something along forcefully, roughly, or with difficulty.
Because I just keep dragging you into my shit, Tess, and it's not.
For example, we dragged the boat up the beach.
Tess, what the fuck?
This is bullshit.
Bullshit. Something that is stupid and completely untrue. For synonym, we can say rubbish.
Tess, what the fuck?
This is bullshit.
Let's see some examples to get this word better. Forget all that bullshit and listen to me.
You just won't fucking give up.
Give up. To stop doing or trying for something, especially something that you do regularly.
You just won't fucking give up.
For example, she gave up her job and started writing poetry. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with give up and write it down on the comments.
You don't belong here. You shouldn't be here. You don't fit in here. So just go.
Fit in. To belong somewhere. If someone fits in, they are accepted by the other people in a group. For example, I wasn't sure if she would fit in with my friends.
We need time apart.
Apart. If people are apart, they are not together in the same place or not having a relationship with each other.
We need time apart.
For example, he's never been apart from his girlfriend. In After We Fell, Hardin and Tessa agreed to have a time apart. If you like to know why, then check Learn English with After We Fell in my channel.
Because we fight more than we get along.
Get along. If two or more people get along, they have a friendly relationship. For example, we've always get along quite well. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, please.